So it's now up for 1, down for 2. Just my thing, right? I should check my too. Now get this done. Yeah. Well, today. So I went and got my toilet part. I got my bike pump. Prices were good, so no complaints there. Worked it okay. And next I'm going to go get some groceries from the grocery store. I went yesterday on my bicycle, which was good, but there's still deals on for steak, so figured why not. When there's a deal, it was a good thing. That's a normal occurrence, by the way. They're going all day, all night, just like trains. Oh yeah. It's been a few days since I've been out riding, like what do you? It sucks because I really like to get out there, but under the weather circumstances and whatnot, it makes it a bit tougher. Oh, bugger. Oh, maybe. That was good. 40,745 clicks. How many miles is that? I don't know. For an 04, that's really low kilometers.
And it was nice and sunny out till the sun got over where that blue spot is, and then it kind of went around a bit more, and all of a sudden these gray clouds came swarming in, and it's been actually calmed down a little bit. It was really windy though, so I decided I'd make a little snack instead. What time is it now? It's 3:15 my time, so yeah, I'm just kind of making a snack. Just a little steak. It's actually like a mini roast. Should be good. Just kind of letting her slow cook. I might modify this hibachi a little bit to make it a little more efficient. That way I don't have to use a ton of briquettes to get her going. And I would put some barbecue sauce on it. Some Dan's. It's looking a little more fresh. Oh, it's gonna be tasty. Nice and slow, juicy in the middle. It'll be good. I was gonna just do a steak, but I figured I might as well do the roast. Yeah, that'll be good. I'll flip it over, put some more sauce on, and then I'll flip it over again, and then probably again, so that it's cooked through a bit. Right now, if I cut into it, it's going to be pretty raw. I don't mind it being raw, but I mean, it's good to have it a bit cooked. At least that outer edge, probably at least a 1/4 inch around the outside. Helps seal the moisture in too, the juiciness. But yeah, as long as it's nice and pink in the middle, I'm happy. But if it's more raw in the middle, it's not too bad either. Yum! And the flavor coming out of that. Oh, I love the briquette flavor. Okay, I flipped this over a couple times. I have. Ooh, it looks nice now. I hit it with barbecue sauce a couple extra times. Flipped it over. I just put the last coating of it on there, so I'm gonna let it sit for a few more minutes. Not very much longer, but just to let it get that flavor into it. Let the top sear up a little bit, and I'll cover it completely. Won't let it breathe, and that should do it. So a few more minutes, and I'll pull it off and let it sit for a minute. So it's pretty much died out, sort of, just from smoking away. See all the moisture pouring out of this. I could just leave it on here for a little bit, but yeah, it wouldn't hurt. A few more minutes. Once I put the lid on, it chokes it out pretty much. All that barbecue sauce doused it. See, now the clouds are clearing up. And it'll sit outside for a few minutes. Whoa. Look at that smoke spilling out of there. Yum, yum, yum. You know what? I'm gonna pull it out. Should be good to go. Yeah, lots of ice here. Cooling up everywhere. Good. Look at that. Yummy. Candy. So, start to the next session. And yum. Bon appetit.